1794 Liberty Coin ValueAccording to the NGC Price Guide, as of September 2023, a Liberty coin from 1794 in circulated condition is worth between $57,500 and $975,000. However, on the open market 1794 silver dollars in pristine, uncirculated condition sell for as much as $6,500,000. According to the Las Vegas Review-Journal, Nevada businessman Bruce Morelan, who bought the 1794 coin for more than $10 million in 2013, recently sold the flowing hair silver dollar to Irvine, California-based auction house. In a Thursday news release, GreatCollections described the silver dollar, thought to be the first made by the United States, as the world's most valuable silver coin. The $12 million price is second highest ever paid for a rare coin, behind the 1933 Saint-Gaudens Gold Double Eagle that sold for $18.9 million in 2021, the company said. Asbury Park, NJ. A rare 1794 U.S. silver dollar, believed to be the first silver dollar minted by a newborn United States, is going up for sale by a New Jersey coin dealer. This coin is the holy grail of all dollars, said Laura Sperber, president of Legend Numismatics in Middletown's Lincroft section. The sale, by Legend Auctions, will be October 8 at the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas and online. Bruce Morelan, a Las Vegas collector, purchased the coin, nicknamed the flowing hair silver dollar, in 2013 for $10 million, the most ever paid for a rare coin. It features Lady Liberty ringed with stars on one side and an eagle on the other. Of the 1,758 silver dollars the mint delivered in October 1794, perhaps less than 130 are known to still survive, and this particular coin is the finest known, said Brett Charvel, president of Professional Coin Grading Service, a rare coin authentication company, in a statement. It is believed to the very first one struck, Sperber said. It is extremely significant. It was presented to then Secretary of State Edmund Jennings Randolph, who referred to it with a letter to President George Washington. Charvel grades it a specially made specimen, above mint condition, and a 66 on a scale with 70 being perfect. Another 1794 silver dollar, graded 35 of 70, sold in January for $288,000, and one graded at 12 sold last year for $99,000, he said. Morelan's flowing hair dollar is the centerpiece in the auction that will also feature 14 other early American silver dollars from his collection. It includes one of the 8 known 1804 dollars specially struck as diplomatic gifts in the mid-1830s. The entire collection is estimated to bring in $15 million to $18 million, with the flowing hair dollar expected to bring in at least $10 million. Coins are in my blood, and the 1794 dollar was a lifelong dream, Morelan said in a statement. Now that my early American dollars collection is complete and nothing else can be added, I've decided it's time for other collectors to enjoy these magnificent coins. Morelan bought the flowing hair dollar from the nonprofit Cardinal Collection Educational Foundation of Sunnyvale, California, which bought it in 2010 for $7.85 million from Stephen Conter C., a collector who acquired it for an undisclosed sum in 2003. The value of 1794 Liberty coins today can vary widely depending on several factors, including the specific type of coin, its condition, rarity, and market demand. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the historical significance, types, and values of 1794 Liberty coins. We will also discuss factors that influence their worth in the modern numismatic market. Introduction to 1794 Liberty coins. The year 1794 holds great historical significance in the United States as it marks the first year of official coinage by the newly established U.S. Mint. The production of these early American coins was a significant step toward establishing a stable national currency. Among the coins minted in 1794, the Liberty series holds a special place. Types of 1794 Liberty coins. There are two main types of 1794 Liberty coins. 1. Asterisk 1794 Liberty Head Large Cent asterisk. The 1794 Liberty Head Large Cent was the first official U.S. cent coin. It featured a liberty head facing right on the obverse and a wreath on the reverse. The coin was designed by Robert Scott, the chief engraver of the U.S. Mint at the time. There are three main varieties of the 1794 large cent: the Sheldon 18, Sheldon 22, and Sheldon 26. 2. Asterisk 1794 flowing hair silver dollar asterisk. The 1794 flowing hair silver dollar is one of the most iconic and sought-after coins in American numismatics. It features a portrait of Lady Liberty with flowing hair on the obverse and an eagle with outstretched wings on the reverse. The designer, Robert Scott, adapted elements from European coinage for this design. Factors influencing the value of 1794 Liberty coins. Several factors play a crucial role in determining the value of 1794 Liberty coins. 1. Condition asterisk. The condition or grade of the coin significantly affects its value. Numismatists use a grading scale from poor P1 to mint state MS70 to assess a coin's condition. 2. Rarity asterisk. The rarity of a particular variety or die pairing within the 1794 Liberty coins can greatly impact its value. Coins with unique or low mintage characteristics are typically more valuable. 3. Historical significance asterisk. Coins with a historical significance, such as the first-year issues of a particular series, tend to be more valuable to collectors. 4. Demand asterisk. Market demand plays a crucial role in determining coin values. Coins that are in high demand among collectors and investors may command higher prices. 5. Provenance asterisk. The coin's history, including its previous ownership or inclusion in notable collections, can add to its value. Current market values. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, here are approximate market values for 1794 Liberty coins in different conditions. 1. Asterisk 1794 Liberty Head Large Cent asterisk. Poor P1 $100 minus $300. Good G4 $600 minus $1,500. Very fine VF20 $2,000 minus $5,000. Extremely fine EF40 $5,000 minus $10,000. About uncirculated O50 $12,000 minus $20,000. Mint state MS60 to MS70 $25,000 and up. 2. Asterisk 1794 flowing hair silver dollar asterisk. Poor P1 $10,000 minus $20,000. Good G4 $20,000 minus $50,000. Very fine VF20 $60,000 minus $100,000. Extremely fine EF40 $150,000 minus $300,000. About uncirculated O50 $350,000 minus $600,000. Mint state MS60 to MS70 $1 million and up. Please note that these values are approximate and can vary based on market fluctuations, collector demand, and specific coin characteristics. Conclusion. 1794 Liberty coins hold a special place in American numismatic history, representing the early years of official coinage in the United States. Their value today is influenced by factors such as condition, rarity, historical significance, demand, and provenance. Collectors and investors interested in these coins should consult with experts and stay updated on the current market trends to make informed decisions regarding their acquisition or sale. This dollar has the catalog numbers Bowers BORCKARDT1, Bollender 1, or Hasseltine 1. History. Dollars bearing the 1794 date were struck from a single pair of dies. Nearly all dollars are lightly struck at the lower left of the obverse and the reverse. Some few pieces display a well-balanced strike and are exceedingly rare. Obverse. Flowing hair design with 6 curls, the third curl weak on most specimens. First star close to 1 in date. Second star near first curl, but does not touch it. The head of Liberty in the 1794 dollar has a fuller cheek and more pronounced jaw line than does any of 1795. Blunt tip to neck point. No head on a 1795 dollar is exactly like this head. Reverse. Eagle perched on a rock within a wreath, 21 leaves on each branch. The wreath has 19 berries, 10 on the left branch, 9 on the right. A leaf is joined to second T in states, and another almost touches the right corner of F in of. Lobster claw. Leaf pair under second T of United and first of America. Eagle's wing touches R in America. Ribbon.